How to reset display settings on Windows 10. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily reset your Windows 10 display setting to its default. So let's get started. First, just head over to your search bar and simply click on settings. So once you're inside here, simply select this option called system settings, and once you're inside here, make sure you're inside display, and to finally set it to default, just make sure what I do here. So select the everything to 100%, and according to resolution based on your device choice you can simply select it as well, and just head over to landscape if it's turned in portrait. And once you do all of that, just come back to your home setting and click on the ease of access. So once you're inside here, just make sure your font size is to set to 100%, not less, not more. And once you make sure of that, just click on OK and make sure your everything is 100% over here, and you can automatically adjust other options just like this. So make sure everything is enabled from over here, and in case of magnifier, make sure it's on 200, or if it is less than on your device, you can also set it to according to your choice. And to set it to default, you can always enable or disable this option over here like high contrast. You can also click on this narrator and make sure you have disabled this, because it's basically disabled from the default. You can also set the cursor to its default by simply clicking on the first icon, which is this one. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.